Hi, in this video I'm going to show you about the IPM915 from the very beginning starting settings. So here I have the unit ready. So basically I have two IPM915 encoder. On these two encoder I have two USB A/B port and then two HDMI input and also the LAN port. And this the front panel we have a small LCD screen which is showing up the IP address. And then this the two unit of the IPM915 decoder, and which you have the two USB A port, which is for the USB cable and mouse. And here I have two HDMI output and the LAN port with PoE, the same as the front panel with the LCD screen to show the IP address. So now I'm going to set up the unit, and I can use here's my A port PoE switch, and this is my control PC. Have a player as the input source, and a cable and mouse, and then you have two HDMI cable for the two displays. So now I'm going to hook up. I can just use any of the LAN cables connected. Then we will see the device is already powered up because it can support the PoE. And then have the HDMI out connected. Then the cable and mouse, which I can use for the hotkey switching shortly. So have the USB cable and mouse connected, and then these two is the encoder. So have the two encoder connected up. Then two HDMI input. So this one is from my laptop, and this one is from the player. So basically this device, we can see we don't need to have the controller box. So right now, because I already pre-configured before, that's why it's already showing up. And then I can just start from the very beginning. So this is one of the USB A to B port for my laptop. Later I can use the mouse for the controller. So now I'm going to run the PC software, and I will just have the whole system reset. So our device is going to factory reset. Yes. Okay, so when you have the unit, basically you will just showing this way, and then you will when you power back, and the two decoders will just show blue screen, and then you will not have showing the major output at the beginning. So what we need to do is the first step, we need to use the PC manager software, and we need to find the device first. So we just search. Then when we found the device, and we will see the IP address and also the device ID are the same. That's why the devices are all showing in red. So what we need to do is, firstly, we need to change the ID and make it ID different. Secondly, we can change the IP address. And now I'm just going to use the 0 IP range. Then click apply, yes. Then the device will just restart again. And we'll just wait until the device are back. Then we can continue for the next settings. Okay, seems like okay. IP address setup 00501. Yes. So the device will just automatically restart. So we'll just wait until it's back. After the device restart back, we don't need to do anything with the PC manager software, and we can just directly move to our plug and play software we call as VT-IP Lite. So we'll just run this software, and then with this software we can do the controls. Right. Because I already did the setting before, I will just reset this software. So we just restart the software again. When we first time to use this software, it will just automatically searching the device. Then we can see we found the input source, and then on the left side Then the right side is going to be the two screens. We can just drag the source for the source switching simply. Okay, I will just like. So, and these two is another one is going to be my. This is the player. I'm going to play one of the episode here. Right. So basically, it can be no problem for the source switching, right? It's quite smooth. And then if you want to create a video wall, we can just go to setting, then create a video wall. Let's say we just put it as a 1x2 video wall. So 2 rows to 1 row, 2 columns, and then list the mod number of the IPO. So drag the source, then we can see that screen is T-code, and then the second one. So now we already got the video, we can close the window and back. So now we can see we got a video wall showing up, right? This is how we have the video wall. And we also can save this as a preset one. This one we also can like have like 2 single screen, save as the preset 2. And then we also can have like the multi-view as well. So I'm just going to use another layout right now. So this is the another layout, right? Save as the preset 3. And also we can have like so this can be another presets save. So now we have like a different preset. You can just simply press the centers, then we can record out. We also can just like have those presets automatically recycling by themselves. We just add, then we choose the plan and the time we can put as 5 seconds, save, stop. Let's see how this layout automatically recycling by itself. Right. I think the recycling time is 10 seconds. So those layout is just like automatically recycling by itself. So basically this is the pretty much like all the settings we need to do by the PC software. After the PC software, next step I'm going to show how to use the cable and mouse. Then we can control the source. So what do we need to do? We just need to press the country twice. Then we can bring up a OSD menu on the screen itself. Then we can just refresh. Then we can get like the 2 decoder string up here. We can choose one, and then we can add as the a screen hotkey switching. So can press country +1. Okay, and this one we use as the country +2. Okay, we also can rename them. Like this one is going to be the so this one maybe we just put as the laptop, and this one we put as the player. Okay. So now we can just stop the scenarios like recycling. We just back to the normal mode. So now we can use the cable for the hotkey switching for the source. Right, this is the 2 input source to this decoder, and then we can see it's pretty fast. Right, no seamless. It's seamless and no black or blue screen during the source switching. When we switch into the PC, we also can control it. Right, we are controlling the PC with this cable and mouse directly, because we have the USB A port, and from the laptop connect to the encoder. So from the encoder, go back to the switch, then go to the decoder. Then we can get the keyboard and mouse to come through. So this is pretty much like the whole system setup. It just takes about like 10 minutes settings. Okay, thank you.